Kitchen here in Buhangin. Yan, meron sila ditong mga snake plants. So ito yung actually yung sa labas banda guys, is hindi ko na video. So ito yung hallway nila papasok sa venue ng ating yan, mag-hosting si partner dito ngayon. Ang daming snake plants. Wow! Yan guys, dito nakahilera lahat ng snake plants talaga dito guys. Ganda. Diba? Plantita hearts talaga eh. Yan, yung dito sa ibabaw is lang siya guys, is artificial. Yung mga plastic na flowers. Pero ang ganda niya sa effects niya guys. Yun yung super ganda. And ayan yung door. Tara. And may pa-red carpet tayo dito. May pa-red carpet tayo dito guys. Chadadadeng deng deng. Chadadadeng deng. And ayan yung So, only here at Helen'S Kitchen here in Buhangin. Tsadan, papasok na tayo. Saan ba to? Tsadan! Wow! Aray. And, ayan. So, pwede kayo mag-pictorial dito, guys. Tsa. Helen'S Kitchen. Wow! Ang ganda dito, ah.
Oh, let me up with a bright smile on now.
So, yun guys. We're here at Helen'S Kitchen. Dito sa may Buhangin area, guys. Lakas maka-good vibes ang place nila, guys. Sobrang, ayun. I love the, sarap dito, guys. So, tingnan nyo. Sarap makasosyal, guys. Yayamanin. So, yan siya. Oh, tingnan nyo guys. Doon sa loob. So, ayan. Meron tayong work for today. And I am the beautiful spinner. Charot, beautiful pa talaga. Oh. So, ayan guys. See you later. Kung hindi ka pa subscribe sa aking channel, ay huwag mong kalimutan na mag-subscribe. Click ang tiny bell button down below para notify ka if ever na may gagawin tayong bagong video. Yan.
I'm wondering me, you already feel it there. Give me a little more dark in the spotlight. Do I wanna know something? You look into my eyes and felt a feeling. Then nothing got a dream like a slim night. Hey, come on closer now, waiting for you. But tomorrow's slowly. Oh yeah, the moonlight's around us. You look into my eyes, together feel so high. To make up with the twilight, my only, my bestie. You fall into my love. Let me if you want tonight. 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 Ooh, I think it's slowing down now. Oh, more give me a hug, more want to talk. A dream like a moment, fantasy. Baby, I think about you now. Yeah, the moonlight's around us. You look into my eyes.
Okay guys, sa mga taga Davao dira, hello. So, this is Helen'S Kitchen guys. Dito sa may Buhangin guys area. Siya guys, may Jollibee din sa likod banda guys. I mean sa lang dito yung location nila. So ayan guys. So meron silang, ayan, check the page of Helen'S Kitchen. Ayan siya guys. So check nyo na lang guys. Tingnan nyo yung mga tumatanggap sila ng event like bunyag, yung kung gusto niyo ng mga function hall or nandito po sa kanila guys. Pwede po sila. So ayan guys. Visit Helen'S Kitchen.
Oh, let me up with a bright smile on now. Put me in the dark, so won't get lost now. To the moonlight, eyes you, Maria right now. You look into my eyes and felt a feeling. Then nothing got a dream like a slim night. Hey, come on, closer. Now I'm waiting for you, but don't hurry, oh slowly. Oh yeah, the moonlight's around us. You look into my eyes, together feel so somebody else, and then it's you. Ooh, falling in with you. Not the only one doing me. You already feel it there. Give me a little more dark in the spotlight. Do I wanna know something? You look into my eyes and felt love feeling. Then nothing got a dream like a sweet night. Hey, come on closer now, waiting for you. But tomorrow's only. Oh yeah, the moon is around us. You're looking to.
Laki ng philodendron dun, guys. Yan, ang laki. Philodendron, ang sarap. Yan, Liam Wayne.
My eyes together feel so high. To make up with your twilight, my only, my bestie. You fall into my life. Let me if you want tonight. 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 Ooh, I think it's slowing down now. Oh, more give me a hug, more want to talk. A dream like a moment, fantasy. Baby, I think about you now. Yeah, the moon is around us. You're looking to my eyes.
Yun guys, ganda ng place dito guys kasi nakaka-good vibes lang. Ayan o. Merong mga halaman doon sa labas. Pero yung mga ganyan guys is mga artificial na siya na mga halaman yung mga ganyan. Yung decor na yan guys, I don't know kung sa client yan or dito talaga sa Helen'S Kitchen. Pero, ayan. So, meron sila ditong mini bar doon banda. So, ayan. So, sana hindi tayo makaka-copyright nito kasi yung music natin guys. Babush! Ayan guys, ito po yung kurmahan ng ating host. Yan ang ating kurmahan ngayon. So this area nga pala guys is hindi lang talaga itong yung part ng Helen'S Kitchen. Meron pa doon banda. Actually dyan din isa is function din siya. Then pwede din may ibang vacant dyan kapag may nagpa-party dito. Doon sa iba pwede din siya. So ayan. Yow! Water for the better.
Happy birthday, Liam! And ready, 1, 2, 3, pass the balloon, go! Dito tayo, picture taking tayo. Ma'am, pwede ikaw na magbigay. Okay, picture tayo dito. Okay, pili po ma'am, anong gusto mo ma'am? This one. Okay, for you. And picture taking po together with Liam. Okay, ang ganda ng prize. Ready, 1, 2, 3. Sheila, this is your chance. Okay, at ano ang, next question natin, ano ang favorite food or pagkain ni Liam? Ano? Okay, ano, dito ako. How about ka mag-insog na dog, sir? Ikaw po, ma'am, anong pinaka-favorite pet mo sa bahay, ma'am?
Dog din.
Dog din, ma'am, nanay dog man, fish dog, ay cat, okay, ma'am. Unsay tingog sa cat, ma'am, or sound of the cat? Meow. Okay, yung sexy na cat po, ma'am, sexy na cat. Meow. Okay, ready, okay, pangatlo. Okay, dahil hindi okay, dili basta-basta atong prizes, okay, ikatulo kay. Okay, ang buhatan lang ninyo, mukanta lang og happy birthday gamit ang animals na gigamit ninyo. or gipili ninyo with action. Okay, with action. O kanta og happy birthday gamit ang animal sa gipili ninyo. Dapat with action, daanin natin sa padamihan ng palakpak ang magiging winner. Okay, kung sino yung pinakamadaming palakpak, sila yung magiging winner. Dapat galingan ninyo. Galingan and good luck. Okay, sir, ikaw muna, sir. Dito tayo sa gitna, sir. Nakatawa daan si sir ba? Dapat with action, sir, with action. Sir, pangalan ulit, sir. Carlo, Sir Carlo, happy birthday with action with a fish. Okay, happy birthday in fish version. And 1, 2, 3, go!
Plop, 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 plop. Plop, 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 plop.
Okay, ang galing naman ni Sir. My, okay, right? Palakpakan naman natin si Sir. Okay, ready, second player natin. And Sir, what is your name ulit?
Dave.
Sir Dave. Okay, Sir Dave, kailangan natin galingan. Okay, napagaling ng plok, plok, plok ni Sir. Okay, Sir, happy birthday into dog version. And 1, 2, 3, and go! Kailangan ni action, Sir. Ulitin natin. Ready? 1, 2, 3, with action, go! Palakpakan naman natin. Napakagaling naman ni Sir. Okay, ready? Okay, panguli natin. Ma'am, dito tayo. Ma'am, kailangan katong pinaka-howdod kay ma'am. Ikaw na bahala, ma'am. Pina-sexy cat. Okay, pina-sexy cat daw. Okay, ready? Happy birthday into sexy cat version. And 1, 2, 3. Giling-giling. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and go! With effort, palakpakan naman natin. Okay.
So yun na nga guys, this is a pahabol video. Pahabol. So again guys, disclaimer lang po, hindi po hindi sa video po na ito guys is hindi po sponsor namin yung Helen'S Kitchen. Nagkataon lang po guys na doon po yung party namin, kaya I like the place, kaya ayun, binidyo ko siya, binlog ko siya. So hindi po non-sponsor yung Helen'S Kitchen. So okay guys, pauwi na po kami guys. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe now. And click the tiny bell button down below para notify ka if ever na may gagawin tayong bagong video. So that's it guys. Thank you and God bless. Babush!